The Girl Who Baked Happiness. Intermediate, B1. There was a little girl named Luna. Luna was born with a very special gift. She could make people feel happy. Not loud happiness, not jumping happiness, but a warm happiness, the kind that feels like a hug. Luna lived with a very loving family. Her mother smiled a lot. Her father listened carefully. And her grandmother always said, "Love grows when we share it." One day, Luna noticed something. When her mother made cookies for her, Luna always felt better, even on bad days. So Luna had an idea. She decided to make cookies too, but when Luna baked, she did something special. She closed her eyes. She thought about love. She thought about joy. She thought about warm memories. And without knowing how, she put all that feeling into the cookies. When someone took a bite of Luna's cookie, something gentle happened. A warm feeling moved through their body, their shoulders relaxed, their heart felt lighter. Some people remembered happy childhood moments, others remembered their mother's voice, some felt like they were being hugged. The cookie did not erase problems, but it gave something important, strength. People felt calm, they felt clearer. They started to see solutions. A girl who fought with her mother felt brave enough to talk. A boy who felt lost felt hope again. People smiled, but most of them said, "Oh, thank you. The cookie was nice." They did not know it was magic, but Luna knew. One afternoon, Luna saw a person sitting alone. They looked very unhappy. Their face was hard. Their eyes were full of anger. Luna felt a strong wish to help. She walked closer and offered a cookie. "Here," she said softly. "This is for you." The person looked at the cookie and frowned. "I don't want that," they said. "I don't eat sugar, and this won't fix my problems." They stood up and walked away. Luna stayed there, holding the cookie. Her heart felt heavy. For the first time, she felt doubt. "Maybe my cookies don't matter," she thought. "Maybe I am not special." That night, Luna felt sad, but she still baked cookies the next day. People still smiled when they ate the cookies. But Luna noticed something. The smiles were weaker. The warmth was smaller. The cookies were still good, but not the same. Luna felt even sadder. "Now I know," she thought. "I never had a gift. I just imagined it." She sat alone, feeling quiet and tired. Later that day, a small child came back to her. The child held a cookie and looked thoughtful. "It's good," the child said, "but different." Luna looked surprised. "What do you mean?" she asked. The child said simply, "I think you made this cookie when you were sad." Luna blinked. "Why would you say that?" The child smiled a little. "My mom told me something," the child said. "She said when we do things with sadness or anger, those feelings go into what we make." Luna stayed silent. The child continued, "She says we should do things with our heart, because feelings travel." Luna felt something open inside her. That night, Luna baked again, but first she rested. She talked with her family, she laughed, she cried a little. She remembered that she was allowed to feel sad too. Then she baked, with care, with calm, with love. The cookies smelled warm again. And when people ate them, the magic returned. Luna learned something important. Her gift did not come from the cookies. It came from her heart. And if she did not protect her heart, the magic could not flow. She learned this truth. To care for others, she had to care for herself first. And from that day on, Luna baked happiness, starting with her own.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.
Stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush